Hello students, welcome back for the social studies class. I hope you are doing good today. As you know, so today is 27th of July and which lesson plan we are going to see of which block? Do you know that? No or yes? Okay, then we are going to see the block 11 lesson plan 2, right? Lesson plan is 2 is about occupation. And so before you sit for the study, please keep ready your content book, workbook, notebook, pencil and eraser so that it may not get disturb you. Right? So let's look at what we have learned in the previous class. In the previous class, we could see about the farmers grow crops like pulses, grains, fruits, and vegetables. They also use bullocks to plow their land. They have to depend on rain to have a good harvest every year. Farmers earn their living by selling what they grow. We in turn depend upon the farmers. For what? We depend upon the farmers for our food. If the farmer is unable to have a good harvest, he won't be able to earn money. In places that do not have large open field as dry and infertile soil, such places is also known as barren land, right? Now we are going to see the today's lesson plan. So today's lesson plan is lesson plan 2 of block 11, right? So you will be able to explain the importance of animal husbandry as an occupation for people, right? And these are few keywords you should know it: dairy, poultry, and rearing. Dairy is a place in a farm where milk is kept and butter, cheese, etc. are made. Poultry farm is mainly keeping the birds like hens and ducks, etc., mainly for the eggs and meat. And rearing like rearing sheep or goat. So rearing means to breed and look after animals on a farm. I hope you have understood. Let's move to the next slide. So look at here. This is the poultry farm where the hens are kept, and it's mainly kept for the eggs and meat. And poultry farm is also kept in poultry farm. We also keep the ducks. Ducks is also for the eggs and meat. Animal husbandry, we keep cow and buffalo. So cow and buffalo both are kept for the milk and milky product, right? And yeah, look at here, cow. Goatry. Goatry is goatry means in goatry farm the goats are reared for meat. And this is the sheep. Sheep rearing is mainly for sheep rearing is mainly for the wool. So I have showed you this, right? Now tell me, which animals do you see in the pictures, or which animal you see in the pictures? Where do you usually see them? I have already explained before you answer this question. I know. If you know that, please answer in the comment section. Pause the video or answer in the comment section, right? Yeah. So the animals we have seen is are hens, cows, buffaloes, goats, and sheep. So we have seen hens, cows, buffalo, goats, sheep, ducks, etc. So where do we found them? We usually find them or found them in farms. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. So we are on block 11, lesson plan 2, and what is our topic for today? So we are on, this is our topic, animal husbandry. Okay, so today we will learn about how animal help us to earn a living, right? So for that I would like to tell you, uh, please divide in a group of 1, 2 or 3. Okay. And after dividing in group, you have to discuss in group that what we get from these animals. The animal what you have seen, you have to write in your notebook what we get from these animals. Understood? So your time starts now. I hope you have done it. Let's discuss the question. How are the animals useful to us? And how would these animals help someone to earn his living? Shall we look at? Yeah. While looking at the animals in the pictures are cow, goat, buffalo, sheep, hen, duck, etc. These are the animals we have seen, right? Okay. Cows, goats and buffalo gives milk. These are the milk giving animal. Okay. And we can make ghee, curd, paneer and butter from the milk. So we make milk products such as ghee, curd, paneer, butter, chena, etc. And there are other all milk product also, such as sweets which are made from the milk. Understood? Next is eggs, right? So we get eggs and meat from where? From hen and ducks. And sheep is reared mainly for the wool and meat also, right? People who rear these animals, people who rear these animals sell the things that they get from these animals. Why they do it? Just to earn their living or just to earn money. Got it? Let's move to the next slide. So please keep remember these points. How do animals help people to earn? So those the people those who keep this animal or rear this animal, so they sell the things that they get from these animals to earn their living. People get things like milk, eggs, meat, wool. They sell these things in the market, and people keep cows in dairy farms and birds in poultry farms, right? Where do we keep our cows? We keep our cows in dairy farm. And where do we keep the birds? In poultry farm. Remember all these points. So please see these two questions. Why do you think people rear animals? And how is growing crops different from raising animals? What is similar? Let's see. People who keeps these animals so that they can sell the things that they get from them to earn money. And people keep milk giving animals in dairy farms for what purpose? For milk. People keep birds in poultry farm to sell eggs and meat. If someone did not keep these animals, we would not have got eggs, milk and meat so easily. So we get different things from growing crops and from animals. One gives us food from plants and crops, while the other gives us food from animals. Understand? So these two like crops and animals both gives us food. Eh? Crop and animal both gives us food. How? Crops gives us food such as grains, and animals gives us food such as milk, meat, eggs. So both require to keep large open space. Understand? So we cannot keep in a small space. They require to keep in a large open spaces. Understood? Now the last question. Do you think it is good to use animals to earn a living? Why do you think so? Yes, let me tell you. Animals should be kept in places where they can move freely. Understand? Animals should not be kept in places where they are not free to move around. They should be kept in a places where they can move freely. Some animals would have problems to find food and may be attacked by other animals, right? So some animals they would be happier if some animals problem they have a problem to find foods and may be attacked by other animals. If they are kept by us, so they should be given proper care. If we are keeping them, we need to give them proper care. And the last point is, we must also see that they are kept in clean places so as to not catch disease. Understand? When we are keeping them, we need to be clean the place where we are keeping them every day. If we will not clean, they may catch diseases. So we should be very careful to keeping them. I hope you have understood all these points. If there is any doubt, please you can ask in the comment section, right? So this is the question of the day for today. Which animals are kept in poultry farm? Which animals are kept in poultry farm? So the options are given in the link which is posted in the Schoolia. You can see there. So you have to complete worksheet S2 of block 11. And first question is, write one thing that we can get from these animals. So we should write one thing that we get from these animals. What we get from cow, what we get from hen. Second, how does a person depend on animals to earn his living? Explain with examples. Okay, so how we depend upon animals to earn our livings? You have to depend write with one example. You have to explain it with example. And third is, do you think animals should be kept in farms? Give one reason for your answer. I hope you have understood this question. Let's move to the next. So you have to read this topic again, and if you could not understand anything, please watch this video again. So you have to read the topic block 11, this topic. You have to complete S2 from your worksheet, and also in your notebook you have to do practice question 2 and practice question 6. Got it? Right. So time is over now. We are almost completed this lesson plan. Thank you so much. God bless you. We will meet in the next class. Right? Take care.